I welcome you all for the next lecture series. In this series, we are going to discuss about a power plant as a case study. So we know that number of power plants we have. So power plants names we know that solar power plant and hydropower plant, wind power plant, nuclear power plant. So our students are going to discuss about all the power plants. So normally power plants we plays a vital role in the to generate electrical power. So our we get the information from our students. What are the components we are using, where how much of power they are generating, and how it is working, and how much of power efficiently they are delivered. So all the informations as a case study we are going to discuss. So let's see the video. So who is going to see for discuss first?
And I could start first. I went to say about the thermal power plant. That is in our Tamil Nadu there are approximately 24 major power plants in our Tamil Nadu. The basic the work process in the thermal power plant is converting the heat energy into mechanical energy, which produce electricity. First, we can list the components which is used in thermal power plants: boiler, air preheater, superheater, and economizer, turbine, chimney, generator, which are used in thermal power plants component. The process involved in thermal power plant is when the coal is heated, the steam was produced using which heats in fuel. The steam is produced, and from the steam it was hits in the turbine blades, and it produced which produce electricity through using generator, which electricity was supplied to all over Tamil Nadu. Already I have mentioned there is 24 major power plants in Tamil Nadu. Some of the two major power plants is Neyveli, the Mettur, Ennur, etc. Thank you.
Okay. Who is going to talk next power plant?
For myself.
Okay.
Now I am going to discuss about hydropower plant. Hydropower plant basically converts potential energy into mechanical energy, and then the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. Now we will discuss about the components involved in hydropower plant. The first component we are going to see is reservoir. Reservoir is a storage capacity where the water is stored. Then this water is flowed through the dam through penstocks. Through the penstock there is surge tank available. The surge tank is a storage tank which is used to store water when there is a high water in rush, or it also provides additional water when there is limited water in the dam. This penstock, after the water passes to the penstock, it hits the turbine. The turbine rotates and converts the potential energy into mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy by the generator available in the control room. This generator converts electricity, and this electricity is distributed to the grid by transformers. This is the process involved in hydropower plant. Some of the major hydropower plants available in Tamil Nadu are Mettur, Bhavanisagar, and Kadambarai. Totally 2212 megawatts of electricity is generated through the hydropower plants available in Tamil Nadu. These are the information I collected on hydropower plant, and thank you.
So good, Suhel. So I think next power plant we are going to discuss by Tyagarajan, I think so, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Continue.
So guys, I'm gonna share something about wind power plant. The basic knowledge I got from our ma'am, Revati ma'am. So basically, we get wind energy in abundant amount. With that energy, people thought that we can't able to utilize the winds, and so they have created some blades like fans, which can convert wind energy, like kinetic energy, into electrical energy. The blades in the windmill are designed to get the rotation with the angle of wind flows. It also has wind directions, and it can change its blades from one direction to another. With the blades, it is connected to a gearbox. In motorbikes, you can see about some transmissions like with clutch and gearbox. In windmills, we can say about if there is a rotation in one blade, approximate about 1 rpm means the gearbox used to rotate maximum from 100 to 1000 rpms. It used to convert the generator inside the turbine. It maximum converts something about 1500 rpm, and that rpm has been generated as electricity. These electricities comes to the bottom of the windmill, like using the tower pipe or something with the wires. That electricity in the transformer and goes to some with the help of transmission lines. It goes to some power stations, and with the help of power stations, it is distributed all over the Tamil Nadu. These windmills can be placed in offshores or on onshores. During the placement in onshores, it is low cost and it is high efficient also. But when you place the windmills near the mountains, the amount of airflow near the mountains is a low amount or very less. But when you see about in offshore, near the seashores, the wind energy is a lot that you can't able to express. And the cost of planting wind power plant in offshore is also high. And the places which are located will be shared by Sham. Thank you.
As per Diago mentioned, the wind power plants is mostly located in Kanyakumari, Thoothukudi, Tirupur and Coimbatore. And total of 9,000 megawatts of power is produced in Tamil Nadu. And in India, it's 20% of total power which is produced by windmill.
I am going to talk about nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plant is a facility which generates electrical energy from nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is generated from isotopes of uranium and plutonium, like uranium-235 and plutonium-235. In India, they are also using thorium. The nuclear energy is converted into electrical energy by a process called nuclear fission. So the heat generated from this process is sent to heat exchanger, where it converts the water into steam, and that steam is made to run the turbines, which is connected to a generator, and that's where we generate electricity. The main advantage of nuclear energy is it is one of the cleaner and sustainable energy, but it also comes with some risk. We all know Chernobyl incident, right? So handling the radioactive waste should be the major concern here. So the nuclear energy can also approximately generate 2000 megawatts of energy. That's it.
Abhi, can you mention the locations where it is available?
In India, some of the major power plants are located in Kalpakkam,
Yes.
Sarapur and Kudankulam.
Kodamala. Very good. I think next going to talk Magadani. Magadani, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
I'm going to talk about a solar power plant. A solar power plant is a facility that converts sunlight into an electrical energy through photovoltaic cell or concentrated panels. And it is a renewable energy. There is no use of fossil fuels and have an abundance of resources. And a major power plants in the Tamil Nadu and India are Kamuthi in Tamil Nadu, Pavakada in Karnataka, Batla in Rajasthan. The major components of a solar system are photovoltaic panels, inverter, generator and distribution battery.
Any other points you want to add?
According to data, there have been 565 solar energy has been generated both in ground mounted and in top roof. Approximately it has been generated 10,153 megawatts all over in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
So I think you all gathered so many informations from your friends itself. So I think thank you for your participation. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.